Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Today I am discuss about two KDP activity book niche, which is doing very well in the market and you can definitely try your hands. So guys, if you are watching first time in my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to share to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. You will get from my channel unlimited niche with low competition, and then you will publish on Amazon KDP and earn a lot of money per month. So let's go Amazon Marketplace and search. Our first niche is STEAM starters for kids biology activity book, and here the results only shows only 36. So obviously we can say this is a highly profitable unique niche idea with low competition, and here we also see 160 review. So another is STEAM starters for kids coding activity book. Here 9 review. So obviously this is a small micro niche, and here BSR also is good. 46,261. So we can check out the income rate of this book. 46,261, 46,261. Wow, per day sales 7 and per month sales 98. So this is a good niche, and you will publish STEAM starters for kids biology activity book and earn a lot of money per month. And our second niche is fuck, I am bored activity book for adult. Fuck, I am bored activity book for adult. Here the results only shows 330. Obviously this is a micro niche with a lot of profitable and low competition book niche, and here review is very good. 9,427. Here the results only shows 24. The results here the review only shows 48. So obviously this is a very good niche, and here BSR is also good, 2,161. So we can check out the income rate of this book per month. 2161 per day sales 84 and per month sales 1255. So obviously this is a very profitable niche with low competitions, and you can and publish of this book on Amazon KDP. So you can, if you want, earn a lot of money from Amazon KDP. First of all, you find out profitable, highly profitable niche, and second one is you can make good book cover and good quality manuscript, and find out profitable, highly searchable keyword and description, make, then publish book on Amazon KDP. So guys, if you get two highly profitable niche from my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, to look forward to seeing you then. Please like, comment, and share my video. Thank you so much. Thank you.